Are you still someone who gets paid by the hour? That's old news then, because you have to start getting paid by the minute. How? Well, our video for today is going to do all of the talking. We're going to be showing you a method that's going to pay you every minute. You won't need any social media following, or you won't even have to do any selling or surveys or anything that might require any technical skills. It's always been and will continue to be the easiest technique around that definitely needs to be talked about more often. And that's exactly why we're bringing you this video today. Our method for you today will hopefully be able to give you some financial peace and stability by letting you get both your needs and wants. Pay your bills on time while purchasing a car or a house and things like that. Doesn't it already sound so great? It's not only going to help you, but even the people around you. It's easy, it's free, and everyone from anywhere around the world can try it and participate. What more can you ask for? As always, we're going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First, you want you to open up Skillshare.com, and this website contains a variety of online workshops, video training, and courses, and this website is obviously used by people who want to develop or learn new skills. People can come on here and enroll in the different courses that they wish to enroll in. So how exactly are we going to make money from this? Good question. Now scroll down to the most bottom part of this page and then look for Become a Teacher under the Teaching section. And then that should take you to here. So let's read through this really quickly. Inspire creativity in others. Teach on Skillshare and share your passion with members around the world. Why teach on Skillshare? When you help others along their creative journey, it's rewarding in more ways than one. By teaching on Skillshare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. Top earning teachers make over $100,000 each year. Skillshare teachers are real working creatives and experts eager to share their expertise. If you're an experienced creative pro with tips, techniques, and skills to demonstrate, we offer an extensive suite of resources and responsive support to help you create classes that inspire. Now, how does the teaching work? First, you're going to create your first class. You're going to film your Skillshare class and publish it with our easy class upload tool. We provide help every step of the way. Then you're going to grow your following. There are millions of members learning on Skillshare. We'll show you how to build your presence in the Skillshare community and beyond. And then lastly, you're going to start earning. You're going to be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever. Top earning teachers make $100,000 plus a year. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Some facts would be, who can teach on Skillshare? Skillshare teachers are working professionals, expert, and subject matter enthusiasts. But as long as your class adheres to our class guidelines, it can be published on Skillshare. There is no cost to publishing a class, so that's something that you can take note of. How can I earn money? You'll earn money through monthly royalties based on the amount of minutes watched in your classes, plus a referral bonus for every student that you're able to refer to Skillshare. Learn more by reviewing our revenue and payment section of our Teacher Help Center. There are obviously a lot more which you can read on here, but these are the 2 top facts of all time about this website. Now click on Start a Class right here, then you'll be brought to over here. And you can choose to either sign up using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account, or you can choose to just sign up manually. So just go about that in the manner that you choose. And as soon as you have yourself an account, you will then be brought to the page where you can find instructions on uploading video classes and the like. Don't worry if you're worrying. You're not going to have to create any of your own videos from scratch. You won't even need to film anything or whatever you're thinking, because we're going to be showing you guys a strategy that's basically going to create your video for you. And all you'll have to do is upload, and that's it. Now let's get into some examples. So go ahead and click on Browse and then select on Graphic Design. Then you're going to be brought to this page right here, and as you can see, there are so many people on this platform already, which means that when you decide to finally start uploading your video classes, you're definitely going to make a decent amount of money, or a lot, right? Now we have this as an example that was uploaded by one of the content creators from this platform, and as you can see, they have a lot of videos under one playlist alone, and videos that have different durations and different topics for viewers to choose from. And we're watching this video, right? And by doing so, this content creator is making money passively, which is a great demonstration on how you will be earning and how much you're gonna be earning. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Go ahead and open up renderforest.com, and this is the website that we're going to be using that's going to be providing us our free video classes that we can upload to Skillshare and earn from. Now this website is a very, very well-known website, and it's very well known for creating videos and all that. So just click on Create Video up here, and you're going to be taken to here where you're going to see all of the video templates. Now we suggest that you choose this template right here, which is like the Blackboard one. Then you'll be sent to here. Then you're going to click on Create Now. Then you're going to choose Load a Preset, then Create. Then you'll see all of the ready-made storylines, and let's just choose whatever you want, and we're going to choose this one. Then use this storyline, and then you'll finally see the whole template in action, where you can now customize literally anything about this already made for you storyline video. You can change the text according to your topic, which you should, of course. You can change the style to how you want it, and just customize everything according to the topic of your video class that you're gonna upload. And then once you've finished this video, all you have to do is download it and then upload it on Skillshare, and just like that, money. So make sure you try this method out, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.